This is my new video tutorial about some common Buggy Yosemite annoyances. First common problem that affects especially older Macs is slow performance. One of the most commonly suggested solutions is to reduce transparency. This can be done by accessing accessibility from system preferences and here select reduce transparency. There's one only issue with this, that the overall look of the operating system is really awful. It looks like a picture out of focus. I really hate it. So in order to reduce the impact of this change, I decided to use the dark menu, which looks much better. This works really good, but there was one problem related to Google Drive icon, because the normal Google Drive icon is dark gray, which makes it really invisible on a dark menu bar like this one. I found any way you work around to switch the normal icon of Google Drive in a lighter icon so it can be seen. Now you can much more clearly see it on a dark menu bar. I'm gonna supply you with the link to this workaround. It's a compromise solution that gives me a good looking operating system, but performing good. Performance can be impacted also by two other factors. One thing that can impact it is the dashboard. In fact, if you disable it, you surely save a lot of RAM. So I warmly recommend you to do it unless you really need the dashboard and its related widgets. I honestly don't use them at all, so I killed it. Other users have complained about Wi-Fi problems. I have not experienced them. There are anyway some solutions to this problem. One of the most commonly suggested solutions is to remove certain preference files, but I don't like working with system files. One easier way to get it solved is to go to System Preferences Network right here and check your Wi-Fi settings. What worked for my case is to remove my current network connection by clicking the minus button here and then manually adding it back uh, by clicking the plus button here. So I warmly recommend you to do this way and see if this works for you. Another solution that can be beneficial for solving this problem is to disable wake for network access from Energy Saver. Other commonly experienced problems are about Bluetooth devices. It may often happen that Bluetooth devices lose connection without any apparent reason. Some solutions suggest trash the Bluetooth preference list files and then recreate them anew. Once again, I don't like to mess with system files, and what I experienced that could be beneficial is to switch the Wi-Fi channel, because it may happen that the Wi-Fi frequencies interfere with the frequencies used by Bluetooth devices, causing them to drop connection. In my experience, this solves the problem in most cases, but uh, if this doesn't help, feel free to practice other solutions. And last but not least, there are a series of problems related to Apple Mail, mm, mostly related to the interaction between Apple Mail and Gmail. The only solution I found that could solve the problem was to tweak my Google Plus settings to enable the less secure apps to work according to this settings here. And this worked for me. Anyway, if nothing of this helps, I would warmly suggest you to switch to Thunderbird. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. I hope you keep following me and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.